The goal is to hit him.
Hit it! Hit it! Let's see!
Yeah.
Let's inject your... Oh, what the heck?
But it is free.
This is my TopGolf lifetime membership, supposedly free golf. I wanna see if this thing works, how it works, how much free stuff we actually have on it. On the back it says, please email or call the VIP hotline for direct access to your TopGolf National VIP host. We're gonna call these guys. I'm gonna have you guys on the phone, see what this is, see how much stuff we get for it. And then in the same video, I'm gonna take you guys to TopGolf and we're gonna show you what the VIP treatment it looks like. So this will be spanned over like 5 days for me, and for you, it's gonna be the same video. So let's get to it. Let's call these guys. All right, here we go. Let's put it on speakerphone so you can hear it.
Hello, please state your name after the tone and Google Voice will try to connect you.
Daniel Markham. Google Voice? Google Voice. TopGolf? You used Google Voice.
Please leave a message after the tone.
Hi, my name's Dan Markham, and I'm calling about the TopGolf VIP line. I have a card, and I'm trying to book something for this upcoming weekend for Friday. So yeah, if you could give me a call back, that would be great. My member number is 466, Dan Markham. Thank you. I didn't say this video is going to be exciting. I will have to get back on this if they call me back. It's kind of weird as Google Voice. There is an option to email them. I'm not very confident I'm gonna get a call back, and I really wanna make sure that we can go golfing at TopGolf on Friday. So I'm gonna send them an email. Here we are. We are now 4 days later. I went online and I made a reservation, just like everybody else. We are driving to TopGolf right now. We're going to test it out. We've got Lincoln and 2 of his buddies. Houston and Kai.
Oh, there we go. I got him.
And we're going to bring in our VIP card and see if they'll give us any special treatment and see if any of it's discounted or free. I'm not overly confident. We're gonna take you along. There's TopGolf right there. We made it. The moment of truth.
A lot.
This is it. The black card, the VIP card. What does it give you? I hope it's something really cool, and if so, thank you, TopGolf.
Yeah.
4. Okay, so question for you. Does it say anything special about this card?
Not right now.
Because they just sent it to us.
Built into the card, so when you guys go out there and select how long you'd like to play for, it should just be free.
I showed them, I flashed the black card. It meant nothing to them. And then I asked them, hey, does this give us anything special? They're like, well, I don't know. So far, not really anything from the black card, but we'll see. All right, we only had to wait for 2 minutes, and now the bay is ready for us. Time to go to our bay. There she is, 226. It has my name. Reserve bay for Dan M. Okay, TopGolf, you are the real champion. We break your record with TopGolf and Anthony Anderson, and check it out.
Free golf!
Free golf. How long do you want to go? 30, 1 hour, 1 5, 2 hours? What? Wait, 2 hours? Really? You want to play for 2 hours?
Yes.
I'm pretty surprised that actually not just me, but everybody is free. This is the greatest card in my wallet. I will cherish this card. That's my hotel key, that's not the card.
See that guy out there? The goal is to hit him, okay? Don't get it in the hole, just hit him.
That one sounded good. Oh yeah, oh yeah, bluey. Oh, got a good bounce. Got a good bounce. Yep. 16 points. All right, this is how Kai hits a home run right here. Look at this swing, boom. That's a big swing. That's a full swing right there. Boom.
There she goes.
Yes, that's the shot. Even if it didn't go in a hole, that was a good shot. If you get the driver, and if you hit it to the back wall, a lot of people don't know, you get lots of points, but it's only within like the 2 posts in the middle section. So here we go. I'm going to go for it. You just tap that, your ball comes out. Stand up next to it, and then you kablammy it all the way to the back wall. Just like that.
That shit rolls. Yup, that's shit back.
Hit it, hit it, hit it, let's see.
Yeah.
Let's see the points. Did I hit the back wall? Oh no. Apparently the back wall here does not give you points because I've hit it twice today and I didn't get points. A lot of people only think of TopGolf for the golf, but really, the food is incredible. Even if you don't golf and you just want to come and watch people, I think you can have up to 8 people in one base. Chips, salsa, and a giant thing of queso sauce. Yum, 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 yum. We just ordered 24 injectable donut holes. You put like chocolate in it. The dessert's really good here, and some ice cream sundaes. We really don't have to leave. Like, we could stay here as long as we want and just keep golfing, so we're really not leaving. We're staying here for a long time, for a really long time. These are the donut holes. What you do, you grab a donut hole, you grab your choice. This one's like a custard, this one's like a chocolate. You stick it in, and then you squeeze in the sauce. And then you eat the whole thing. Boom, in your mouth. Boom. How is it? Stills right there. Squeeze the sauce in.
Exploding right there.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Oh, hallelujah.
Right. Yum. Okay, let everybody else eat some too, Lincoln. You're just downing them all. Looks like Team Kai and Lincoln, they are the winners. You just drank all of that? Oh my god.
He did all of it. Half of the thing was already full.
And you're not supposed to inject your— oh, what the heck? What? Okay. Time's up, everybody. 13 seconds left. TopGolf, you are a blast. Thank you for sending us the black card. It's a dream come true. It's a Christmas present we didn't know that we needed, but it's here. I don't know how long it's good for. Maybe just one time, maybe a year, maybe a lifetime. We're gonna keep coming to TopGolf and using this free card. It's awesome, guys. Everybody in our group was free. Now, it wasn't just me and Lincoln, everybody. So maybe we'll bring some of you guys to TopGolf and come golfing with us. Probably be the Las Vegas one, or maybe somewhere in Texas. Maybe we'll come to your TopGolf location where you're at. I kind of want to stay. They just lit up all the holes because it's nighttime, but we should probably be responsible and leave and not overstay our welcome of free golf.
But it is free.
Yeah. Lincoln's making a chocolate mess over here. This is a very bad idea for Lincoln.